Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Discord is stuck on loading when opening. So let's begin. So here we are in Windows, and the first thing that we would need to do to begin our solution is click on our taskbar, go into Task Manager, and from here make sure that you don't have Discord running in your background. So if you can see Discord right here in your Task Manager, you want to select it and then click and Task. And after that, after you have made sure that you don't have Discord right here running in your background, then you can just close your Task Manager. And then the next thing that we are going to do is press the Windows button and R button on your keyboard at the same time. And then you would want to type %appdata % and hit enter. And from here, you want to find the Discord folder. And it's right here. So what I want to do is right click and then delete. And yeah, delete it right there. And now it's deleted. Then now we can go back right there. And then the next step is go into your start menu, type Discord, and you want to go and right click and open file location. And from here, you want to make sure that your Discord is run as administrator. So click on properties, and from here, you want to go into compatibility and check the box for run this program as an administrator and hit apply and then OK. And after that, you would want to try running your Discord again. So let's run it right here. And your Discord should now be working without any problems, without getting stuck right here. So now as you can see, my Discord is opened without any problem. But if in your case it's still not working, then let me show you the next solution. So now let's go and close this. And again, let's make sure that Discord is running in the background. So let's go in Task Manager and end our Discord task and task right here for Discord. And there it is. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to uninstall and reinstall our Discord app. So, but when we uninstall our Discord app, we need to use the Geek uninstaller so that it would be really clean. So we would need to go into our browser right here, browser, and then from here we're going to type geekuninstaller.com. And now let's wait for it to load, and we would have it right here. So now we're going to click on download button. And from here, we're going to download the zip file right here on the free version and start download right there. And after that, we're going to want to open the zip. And now we're here, though we're going to extract this one right here. So we're just going to double click if you have a WinRAR. And yeah, just open this exe file. And now we are here. And all we have to do is find the Discord right here. So here it is. And what we're going to do is uninstall. So right click on Discord, uninstall right there. And let's see. It's currently loading, so you just have to wait for it. It's currently loading right there. And now it's scanning for leftover files, folders, registry items, and so on. So you just have to wait for it. And yeah, you really need Geek uninstaller because this would really clean out all the residual files and so on. It would be a perfectly clean uninstallation. So yeah, you want to go here, and from here you want to go and check this right here. This is Nexus. So this Discord right here, I don't want to clear this right here. So from here you have a choice if you want to clean this all right here, but in my case I don't want to right there. But in your case, since you are having this problem, then I suggest that you clean all of this right out right here, check all of that right there. But in my case, I'll just go and click on cancel, but in your case you should click on finish right there. The reason that I pick cancel because I don't want to uninstall my Discord just yet, because I don't have any problem. I'm just showing you the steps. So after uninstalling your Discord, all you have to do now is reinstall Discord. So go to discord.com. And from here, all you have to do is download it for Windows. So download it. And after you have downloaded it, then you can just run it again and install it in your computer. And you can see that the problem has been solved. And that's basically how easy it is to solve this problem. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.